Yo, we back with another video. Nah, let me just say this. We got a new hat in the house. We just copped something from Fanatics. First time ordering from them, which was pretty good. I ordered a hat, came pretty fast, couple days. So the processing, shipping, they do use a mixture because I bought some extra other stuff too that's coming. They do use a mixture of UPS and the laser track. So definitely be on the lookout for that. This one came with the laser track um, tracking information, but came pretty fast. Like I said, a couple days, and they do like lids and all the sports organizations for their products. So we copped a hat, like I said. I'll show you the hat in a second here. But I've been looking online before I ordered. I saw so many complaints of the quality of the product people are receiving, jerseys, things like that. So I mainly see them with jerseys, not really with hats and what they purchase, if they're purchasing any hats, but it's more of jerseys and how they come or the shipping. Now, you really can't blame too much of a company on the shipping of the product, right? They pack it, they ship it on time, like they did here, and they give it away, give it to the carrier. So a lot of it goes to the carrier. So I don't like when people bash too much of, the company on the carrier. Of course, you can say, oh, you should have used this carrier, you should have used that carrier. Everybody has those issues with every single carrier, whether it be USPS, UPS, FedEx, the laser track system thing, DHL, whatever, right? If there's a person that doesn't know where to deliver your damn package, then they don't know where to deliver the package. That's going to be the bottom line here. So, with that being said, let's take a look at what I purchased and let's just see the quality of how it looks. Now, it did come like this. You guys are gonna see. It came in a plastic, so it's a hat. So it came with the plastic. It did come with the inner lining, which I just took out, so it won't be too much dramatic effect. But it came in plastic, which is great. It came in plastic, nice and wrapped um, in a brown box. So I did actually buy two hats, two different sizes. So it did come packaged pretty good because I am a stickler about my hats and how they come. And I wanted to see if they had the stickers on it because I'm from New York. And us New York people like to leave the stickers on our hats, price tag, the hat size, things like that. So I wanted to make sure that if I'm going to a lids or a store that it's coming with the official stickers on it because I want to be the judge. And I want to be the person to either say I want to keep them on or take them off. So I did get my Puerto Rico hat. Now, Fanatics has been throwing out these sales, man. And I wanted to get the USA hat. It's not on sale yet. I'm not trying to spend $60 on the damn hat, which I think is just outrageous to begin with. I remember when hats, especially new errors, whether it be a fitted or a snapback, they were running about 20 to 25, and you can get a deal, from the store you were getting them hats from, you know, two for, 2 for 30, stuff like that. So I usually try to catch lids or Fanatics when they're on sale. So I did get the WBC New Era. Shout out to New Era, man. My favorite hat brand. I don't like any other brands besides New Eras. All my hats are pretty much, I think, New Eras. I might have had maybe something from another company, probably given to me, but straight up New Era. So we got the New Era logo. Bang. We got sticker check. Yep. Size of sticker 7.5. And then, us. we gotta have these other stickers. So it does come with the WBC and the scan code here. And like you saw here, it is the PR, the Puerto Rico hat. And it definitely looks good. Look at the inside here. Has the nice stitching in here. 5950 WBC in there. Look at that. Even in the look at that tag in the inside. I like that. It's super clean. Looks like it's on there good. And it looks official. So we got the 7.5. Bang. For the size. Stitching inside looks good. New era. We got the PR. So 7.5. Let's see how it fits. Look at that. Bang. That looking good, man. I would say this 7.5 feels a little bit tighter. I don't know. I usually have my hair like this or a little bit shorter, but it definitely does feel like it's snug. I thought it was gonna be a little bit more loose, but it actually just fits perfectly. So I'll give this a 10 out of 10, man. Yo, from Fanatics, shipping on time. Hat looks good. I don't see any scuffs or anything weird with the hat. Got the Puerto Rico flag here, PR here. The colors are looking good. New Ever sign there. I think this is A1, man. What you guys think? What's your views, man, on Fanatics? Do you guys get stuff from Fanatics? Do you guys order from them? You know, any issues besides the shipping, like the issues with the product itself? Because again, sometimes the shipping is out of your control. You know, you get that one driver that has no idea, you know, what's the name of the street, or they miss your street and they say, oh, you know, you weren't there, send it back. What's your experience with the actual product itself? Are you getting hats that are nice and clean? Are they coming in dirty? Do you have to reach out to customer service about it? Let me know in the comments. Definitely hit that like button, hit that follow, leave a comment. How's your experience with Fanatics? Definitely share this out. I'll catch you on the next one, man. Peace.